town called Kemaman, and it looks like it's a pretty small town in the border between Pahang and Terengganu. So we have actually just spent a few days in Cherating, and it was wonderful. And now we are in Kemaman. Here we are. So this morning we had a very special breakfast at a restaurant called Tin Kim Leng restaurant that serves Kemaman specialty, the fish noodles.
I just got used to eating rice for breakfast, and now Ivana's got me eating fish for breakfast.
Okay, we got the specialty from Kemaman, fish noodles. It smells good, doesn't it, Steve? Ooh.
It smells so fishy.
It smells fishy, but we'll try it. Look at the amount of sambal. So much sambal in there. Ooh. Let's see. Let's see if it's good.
Whoa, Canada shirt. Canada. Oh. You go there. No, I'm from Canada. His shirt says Canada. I think I made him nervous with the camera.
Let's see. I don't know what type of fish this is, but let's see. Let's see if I like it. If I'm okay with it, Steve will be okay with it, hopefully. But I agree, it smells kind of fishy. I don't know if you're supposed to eat it just like this or with the noodles. It's okay, it's good. And I got cham, of course, a mix of coffee and tea. And I think cham, you can only find it in a Chinese restaurant. Ooh. Because every time I go to a Malay restaurant and ask for cham, they're always like confused of what that is. I'm like, cham. They're like, what? So I think you can only find it in a Chinese restaurant. And many people say that we don't go to Chinese food or eat Chinese food a lot, but here we are in a Chinese restaurant. I usually don't go to Chinese food because normally people will just start speaking to me in Chinese, and I don't know how to speak Chinese, and I feel so embarrassed and nervous that I don't know how to speak Chinese, and all the menus are like written in Chinese, so that's why we don't often go to a Chinese restaurant.
Yeah.
But here we are.
Usually we keep it simple. Chicken rice.
Chicken rice,
Yeah,
that's
it's the easy
right.
one to order.
Or char kway teow if they have it.
Right.
But here we are. It's pretty good so far. I like the fish. Let me just mix this. Ooh, so much sambal. Let me just taste the noodles. Hopefully my chopstick skill is good. The noodles is good. Let me try this. Ooh. Noodles, some fish, some soup, some sambal. It's good. I like it. I like it. Try it, Steve.
Oh, I'm nervous to try, Ivana.
Come on, Steve.
The problem is, it's breakfast, man. You know?
First meal of the day.
You want to start off the day with something nice.
Wow.
This looks good, actually. The soup and the noodles look really good.
It is really good.
In my head, I can taste fish in there. I know there's no fish in there, but because this is here, I ate that and I thought, oh, it tastes fishy. It's all in my head, Ivana.
But how is the noodle?
Yeah. It's really good. It tastes good.
The soup is good, right?
Yeah. I can taste some fish in there, even though there's not. This is so not
I
me.
think you should put the chilies and lime on top of the fish.
Just rip it open, no?
Yep. supposed to eat the skin.
Yes or no? You don't know.
I don't know.
If you don't know, I don't know, Ivana. Maybe no skin.
Yeah, no skin is safe.
Play safe.
Oh, you're eating it by itself. No lime, no chili, no noodles. Your face is okay.
It's actually quite good.
Really?
Not fishy at all.
Wow.
Certainly edible. So put it in the soup or don't put it in the soup?
I think you're supposed to mix it. Yes. If you like. Up to you. I don't think there's a rule.
I'm not gonna mix it because I'm nervous. The lime will help. What is this? Sumo?
Yeah.
Is there dark meat and light meat in a fish?
I think so. It looks like it.
I don't know anything about fish. I was wondering if this was like an organ. It looks like meat. No idea.
Yeah, some part of the fish is lighter and some part the meat is dark.
Do we eat fish organs when we eat fish?
I don't think so.
Where are the organs then?
It's the meat. I think they clean it out already.
Oh, okay. I'm new, clearly new.
Yeah, we should learn how to clean a fish. We don't know how to clean a fish.
This is good, Ivana.
Good?
Yeah, this is
You can
good.
handle it.
This is good.
Awesome.
I'll finish everything.
Wow.
Wow. I saw this fish on the plate. Just the way the fish is like this. I was like, oh, I don't want this, man. No, it's really good. In my head, I was having a phobia. So I'm gonna eat this side and then flip it, eat the other side.
All right.
Is that right?
Yes.
Wow, look at me, guys.
Okay, let's finish. How many stars?
Not a 5 stars, Ivana. It's manageable. Edible. I'll give it edible.
All right.
The sambal helps the fish flavor. There is fish flavor in there. Tastes like fish,
It tastes like fish.
but not so strong.
Not so strong. Okay. It tastes better than it looks.
It tastes better than it looks.
For the
I
fish.
think this is how I level up my fish eating. Eat this. It's manageable. Eat this a couple times, and then I can go the next challenge. You know,
Awesome.
totally
Okay.
manageable.
Okay, I think I would give it a 4 stars.
4 stars.
4 stars.
There you have it.
Awesome. Right, let's eat.
Okay. How did you do that? Oh, here we go. Oh, hey everybody. How did you do that, Ivana?
Yep, you're doing it right. Do it with your chopstick. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Just pull the bone right out so you can eat the meat on the other side.
Oh, it actually worked.
Good
There's
job.
still some bones here though. I gotta get more bones out. A little bit bone removal, and then I'm done. Wow, guys, I'm actually enjoying this quite a bit. It's good food.
It's a good experience, right?
It's more than manageable. It's quite yummy.
Good.
I was saying before, it's manageable. It's good. It's yummy.
Nice. Yum. Right.
I don't think I did a good job actually.
What?
There's tons of bones in here still.
Oh, just the side. Usually the sides of the fish have bones and
Oh.
near the head.
Oh.
So get rid of the side.
This is the problem with eating fish, man.
Yeah,
Yo.
get rid of the sides.
Yo, what is up with this? Aren't fish bones bad for you because they're sharp and they poke holes in you and then you die?
Yeah, but sometimes they're soft as well.
I don't
So
like when my food is this close to killing me. You know?
Just eat the middle.
I take it back. It's back to manageable. So this is not edible. But look at all the meat in here. I'm wasting. This guy gave up his life for me and I'm going to put half of it in a bin.
If you're a good fish eater, you wouldn't waste it. You would be really good at picking out the bones.
Dang, lots to learn, guys. Lots to learn. I tell you what, overall, this has been a success. I thought I was gonna eat some of this, not like it, and go somewhere else for breakfast. That's what I thought was gonna happen today.
But
This is good. I'll finish this. Yummy.
yeah.
That's life.
So the fish noodles, MEE IKAN, was actually better than what we were expecting. So now we are in the beautiful waterfront of Kemaman, ready to explore. We don't know what to expect in this small town, but let's go. So there is a small museum here in Kemaman. Let's go check it out. Hopefully it's open. Unfortunately it's closed, guys. So let's keep going to see what we can find. Oh, Steve, do you know this fruit?
No.
I think it's a bitter fruit. I think in Indonesia it's called melinjo. It's pretty bitter. Open it. Oh, Usually we cook it with soup. I don't think you can eat it just like that.
Doesn't smell like anything.
Hmm.
There you have it. Good
Cool.
eye, Ivana.
Look at this. Just growing on the side of the street. Alright. Keep going. Some fruit market. I think you've tried all the fruits here, right?
Think so.
What haven't you tried yet? Dragon fruit, bananas, oranges. Oh. It's actually a pretty big fruit market here. Oh, dragon fruit juice. Nice. Oh my god, Steve. Oh, I thought it said juice durian, but it's not.
Yeah.
No, it's durian belanda.
What's belanda?
Durian belanda is a... I don't know what to say. It's like... Durian belanda. Oh, she's gonna show you. Like that.
Oh, soursop. Soursop. Okay.
Not durian. No, not durian. Okay, so it's not. You want to try? I'll get one. Try some durian belanda juice.
Bagi ke dia memang. Tu bagi ke dia.
We'll try it.
Does it taste like durian?
It tastes good. Not like durian, no. It tastes good though. Thank you. It tastes good, Ivana. It's got some jelly in there too.
Really?
It's quite nice. I don't know what soursop is.
Really
though.
good.
I don't know what soursop is.
Soursop.
I heard the word before. I don't know what it is.
We'll check if they have the fruits. We'll
I was thinking of pomelo. It's not pomelo.
No.
Pomelo's a melon.
No.
I don't know what soursop is.
It's funny
I heard the
how
name.
they call it durian belanda because durian means durian, belanda means Dutch or Netherlands.
Dutch durian.
Yeah. Funny. Pretty good though.
Tastes good though.
Let's see if we can find soursop and we'll buy it. Oh, Steve, I don't think they have soursop. Too bad. Really good durian belanda juice, but I think we're gonna end the vlog here. There isn't really much to do around Kemaman here except for food and lots of food, but that's all for today. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys.
Alright guys, Ivana will be doing the vlog today for the most part. I'm a little bit quiet today. Yesterday, some lady just destroyed me, calling me racist. I'm like, I'm not racist. She's like, all white people are racist. And she just proceeded to absolutely destroy white people. I'm like, I didn't do any of those things. She's like, white people are evil and all of this. And so, I mean, the problem was she was like well-spoken. She sounded kind of smart, at least in some other field. So she was really just articulately destroying me and everybody who's white. And I was like, oh my goodness. So anyway, I think I need a few days to lick my wounds. I spent the whole night reading about critical race theory, which is a new idea that white people are evil. Maybe not a new idea, but a new way of wording it, I suppose. Anyway, it was absolute disaster. I was like, I'm not racist. And she's like, even if you're not racist, even if you live your life in a way that's not racist, you're still racist because you're white. And I'm like, what you're describing is racism. I'm like, what? So anyway, she just destroyed me. It took her like, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. We were just sitting and eating and she just came by and just destroyed me. And then that's life. So Ivana, you're in charge today.
Yeah.
I just told him about our friend.
I'm so upset and sad
It's all
of what
good, it's
happened
all
to
good.
Steve, and I'm sorry.
It's all good.
I'm sorry, Steve.
What are you apologizing for?
I'm sorry it happened to you.
It's all good.
I should
I
have
was just
been
like,
more
whoa.
proactive. I don't like conflict. So my instinct at the time it was just like, let's get out of here. But I should have, stand
Yes.
up. I should have stood up.
Right. I was
for
hoping.
what's right.
I was hoping Ivana might have mentioned, "I'm not racist." Tell her. And Ivana did not say that. Ivana
I
was just
know,
like,
I'm sorry.
"We gotta get out of here, Steve." I was like,
That was the wrong
"Yeah."
thing to do. For
You
me.
could have told her I'm not racist.
That was the wrong thing to do for me.
Anyway, guys, it was.
I
Just,
should
it
have
was.
stood
I got
up for
distracted.
Steve, and I didn't.
And then
I just wanted
I made the
to get it
mistake
out
of going online and reading about it all night, and now I'm just like, man,
Yeah.
it's a disaster. So Ivana's gonna make a vlog today. I'm gonna support her through walking beside her.